and the creator of the virtual system on chip software, design, and architecture, Mehul Sharma.
An Active Directory or a centralized server. For example, you log into any website and that connects to the server and then it talks to Active Directory and whatnot. You're not doing that. So you're logging in with blockchain cryptography. You're logging in directly and your identity is not kept on the server. There's no password kept, there's no salt, there's no checksum, nothing. So it's just cryptographic way of logging in. However, if you would like to integrate it with your Office, LDAP, Active Directory, you can. We have modules that can do that. So this is authentication and logging in. I already talked about layer 2 security. And data center is running here without any switches and routers. And so this has about 16 cores, altogether 64 cores, running at about 4.2 gigahertz. And you can run your virtual machines. You can put this anywhere you want and connect them with a VPN, and it'll all give you a single system view of all your infrastructure and virtual machines anywhere in the world. You can stack them up to 20. You can keep multiple stacks, and all you need to do is, you don't need to do any configuration for switching and routing. All you do is stack them up. Here you go, it's as simple as tightening the spaces and pillars and connect them, and it automatically does the switching and routing and configuration. So it's transparent scaling, horizontal and vertical, anywhere. So keep it in 5G base stations, keep it in a cubicle, keep it under the table, keep it on the table, keep it wherever you want, feasible. And that's what is unique about this. The hardware is unique, no doubt, but it is the SynchroKnot software that gives it intelligence. This hardware is just 4 by 4 inches, and it's extremely powerful. And right now it's running 16 threads, and in the near future you can see 24, 32 to 64 threads in about the same form factor, or maybe just a little bigger by another inch. So the true value, the hardware is inexpensive as well. I'm not going to disclose the cost because it's available on our authorized manufacturer ASRock Industrial's website, who we have partnered with and for about 2+ years. And we are working together to bring about true decentralization, with our main focus market being Asia. And on top of that, this is the first release in the world in front of the press here in Bengaluru specifically. Having said that, we are moving, we are working with the government and high-level enterprise in New Delhi soon to take this to the next level, and building stronger blocks of partnerships here in Asia as well, so that we have a stable, collaborative economy. Not touching. So a support team for a customer, we have a model where we don't have a huge support team. We only focus on bug fixes because this has already taken care of a high degree of automation. However, that being said, you need this setup. Without this setup, it is not possible. Whether it is Amazon, Google, or whoever it is. This is the behind the scenes, this is the setup. So you're paying for licenses on the servers, virtualization licenses, and those are ever increasing. You're paying for switches and routers. This entire setup is there, and hardware costs are increasing right now, and it's already expensive. And this is the storage, right? So then you need basically a huge multi-tiered team, because someone's manning this, all this. This is a huge setup. So you're running an organization, right? So this is how it's working. So when you take this out.
Hello everyone, I'm Mehul Sharma. I am the owner of SynchroKnot and creator of virtual system on chip software. We are very happy to release it here in Bangalore for the first time in the world. Our software takes care of complete decentralization of a data center and cloud computing, IoT and edge computing all together. There's no need for a centralized data center anymore. Everything is taken care of our software on a very small 4 by 4 inch chipset. And our software also allows for exponential reduction in total cost and exponential reduction in total complexity. And there is no need for dependence on any cloud computing software like VMware, OpenStack, Hyper-V, etc., because our software, along with the hardware, does it all. We have launched it here in Bangalore, India. Our future is right here in India. We want to match it with the Prime Minister's 5 trillion global Indian economy, and our plan also matches it. That 5 trillion Indian vision also matches the 50 trillion global potential of SynchroKnot, which opens the floodgates per se for all the Indian software consulting companies to take to be a part of.